In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an address from the Waze app. Whether you've saved addresses in your Waze app for frequent destinations like home, work, or have favorite places you want to clean up, or you're just eager to tidy up your recent search history, we're going to walk through this together. First, let's start by deleting a saved address. Begin by opening the Waze app on your phone. Now take a look at the bottom of your screen and tap on the magnifying glass or search icon. This is your gateway to all the saved places and recent addresses you've interacted with. Once that opens up, you'll find an option labeled Saved Places. Tap on it, and you'll see a list showcasing your home, work, and any locations marked as favorites. If there's a particular address you'd like to remove, simply locate it on this list. Next to the address, you'll see three small dots. These dots might be vertically aligned or sometimes even horizontal. Tap on them. A menu will appear, giving you the option to remove or delete the address. Select it, and just like that, your address will be deleted. Now, let's tackle how to delete a recent address from your search history. Again, start by launching your Waze app. This time, tap directly into the search bar right at the top of your screen. Here, you're going to see a list titled Recent, which holds your recent search activity. As you scroll through this list, locate the address you want to clear out. If you're using an iPhone, the process is simple. Swipe left on the address you wish to delete until you see the option to delete. Tap it and it's gone from your history. Users on Android, your steps are slightly different. Find the address in question, press and hold it, and then choose Remove from the menu that pops up. And there you have it, a cleaner, less cluttered Waze experience. Taking these simple steps to delete unwanted addresses or clear your search history on Waze keeps things organized and ensures your navigation app remains neat and user-friendly. It's like spring cleaning for your digital travel. Don't hesitate to revisit this process anytime you need to make room for new places or just prefer having a decluttered app. Remember, efficient navigation starts with a clean map. Thank you for tuning in to our guide, and here's to navigating your journeys with ease.